Shockingly, more than half of people in the US have been infected with the virus that causes cold sores. And here's the kicker. Between 20 and 40% of them will experience the joy that is a cold sore, since not everyone with the virus will end up getting cold sores. If you clicked on this video, perhaps you can also relate to that tingling or burning sensation on your lip, followed by an inconvenient oozy blister. Hey thriving beings, welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling cold sores, also known as fever blisters. You know, those irritating blisters that can show up on your lips and cause all sorts of discomfort. They're caused by the herpes simplex virus, or HSV1. And while they may not be serious, they can be a major annoyance. In this video, you'll learn 10 effective strategies to get rid of cold sores fast and help keep them from coming back. While many people reach for popular brands for cold sore treatments such as Abreva, there's some alternative methods you could try out too. While these natural remedies have brought relief to many, they may remain outside the realm of standard medical treatments for cold sores. So remember, what works wonders for some may not be as effective for others. Let's find out about a few of these alternative methods. Number 10. Ice. While it won't magically make your cold sore disappear overnight, it sure can bring some much needed relief. Simply grab a cold pack and apply it directly to those annoying sores. Don't go overboard. Limit each session to 15 minutes to avoid any unwanted skin irritation or burns. Number 9. Apple cider vinegar. The wonder liquid that's known for its germ-fighting superpowers. People love using it to tackle all sorts of issues, including cold sores. But here's the thing, don't go splashing full-strength vinegar on your sore. That can lead to a serious skin freakout. Instead, it's smart to dilute it first. Once you've done that, apply it to your cold sore just once or twice a day. Number 8. Witch hazel. Back in 1996, a study discovered that this magical potion could take on the herpes virus and reduce inflammation. Impressive, right? Witch hazel is also an astringent, meaning it can dry out the area and potentially speed up the healing process. How to use it? Easy. Just grab some witch hazel, like the Thayer's organic kind, dampen a cotton ball and gently press it onto your skin. Remember, no harsh rubbing. We want to treat it with care, and be cautious not to ingest it. Number 7. Vitamin C and vitamin E, the dynamic duo in the fight against cold sores. Studies have revealed that vitamin C is a real cold sore terminator. It can deactivate that herpes simplex virus, the culprit behind those pesky blisters. And that's not all. Vitamin E is like a soothing balm for your cold sores. It helps speed up the healing process, making those blisters bid adieu much faster. So load up on foods rich in vitamin C, such as oranges and tomatoes. And make sure to get your daily dose of vitamin E from foods such as almonds, avocados, and much more. Number 6. Aloe vera, the go-to plant for all things skin-related. While there's limited research on its direct connection to cold sores, a 2016 study in a lab setting showed that aloe vera has some impressive anti-inflammatory and antiviral effects. That's pretty cool, right? So grab a small amount of aloe vera gel from a tube or break open a leaf and gently apply it directly onto those cold sores. Just make sure to read the ingredients, as some aloe vera gel products can be mixed with chemicals or other potentially harmful ingredients. Number 5. Licorice root. A 2015 research review unveiled licorice root's impressive antiviral and antibacterial abilities. This root's antiviral properties work wonders by preventing those viruses from replicating, while its antibacterial powers put a stop to bacterial mischief. Licorice roots even showed some antifungal activity. How amazing is that? To harness its potential, try this little trick. Grab some licorice root extract and mix it with your favorite facial oil, like coconut oil, and apply it to the cold sore once or twice a day. Number 4. Stress reduction. Stress, the ultimate cold sore trigger. Now, I know just mentioning stress reduction can sometimes stress us out even more. So let's take a deep breath and give ourselves some grace. Remember, we don't have to eliminate stress completely, but we can add 10 to 30 minutes of anti-stress techniques into our daily routine. Whether it's meditation, exercise, journaling, or finding your own relaxation groove, do whatever helps you feel calmer and more relaxed. Number 3. Lysine, an essential amino acid that has caught the attention of cold sore warriors. According to a 2017 review, studies suggest that people who take lysine are less likely to experience cold sore recurrences. No optimal dose or specific lysine preparation has been recommended. However, doses higher than 3 grams per day seem to improve the patient's subjective experience of the disease. Keep in mind, though, that using lysine won't necessarily prevent the occurrence of a cold sore completely. Lysine comes in oral supplement or cream form, but here's an important note. Over-the-counter supplements, including lysine, aren't well regulated by the FDA. So before using any oral supplement, it's always wise to have a chat with a healthcare professional. Number 2. Lemon balm. This herb, belonging to the mint family, has shown some promise in the battle against cold sores. Though the research might be a bit dated, a study from 2008 discovered something exciting. Applying lemon balm extract may have a preventative effect against the HSV virus that causes those bothersome cold sores. Imagine that. It's like a natural superhero taking on the virus. The study's authors even hinted that lemon balm could be a potential treatment for HSV, but they pointed out that more clinical trials are needed to confirm its effectiveness. Number 1. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a promising natural remedy when it comes to treating cold sores. It's packed with antiviral, antiseptic, and anti-inflammatory properties that can be quite handy in your battle against those unwanted blisters. In a study back in 2009, researchers discovered that tea tree oil had the potential to exhibit antiviral effects on HSV, the virus responsible for cold sores. To use tea tree oil, simply dilute it with a gentler carrier oil, such as avocado oil or olive oil, and apply it directly to your cold sore using a clean cotton swab. This way, you can target the sore without harming your delicate skin. It's crucial not to overdo it. Limit your application to twice per day to avoid irritating your skin further. Please note that the information presented in this video is for educational purposes, and it should not be considered a substitute for getting medical advice or medical care from a healthcare provider. When dealing with a cold sore, it's important to know what to avoid in order to prevent further complications and speed up the healing process. Here are some things you should resist doing. Number 1. Touching an open sore. Whenever you touch the open blister, remember to wash your hands immediately afterward to prevent spreading the virus to others. Additionally, poking or prodding at the sore can introduce bacteria and prolong the healing time. Number 2. Attempting to pop the sore. Cold sores are not pimples, so squeezing or trying to pop them won't make them smaller. Instead, you may unintentionally spread the viral fluid and infect others. Number 3. Aggressively washing. While washing is essential for hygiene, avoid vigorous scrubbing as it can further irritate your delicate skin and hinder the healing process. Thanks for watching. We hope these tips help you conquer cold sores and prevent or lessen future outbreaks. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful health-related content. Goodbye for now, thriving beings.